Hello, pals. I'm your storyteller, Mr. Peanut, and today I'll tell you the story of the exhausted E.
I am so tired of doing so many jobs. I always help other letters, but no one helps me. I need a break. Don't worry, dear, when Toffee Y is here. I can stand at the end of long English words and can say your long sound E. Since that day, if one wants to write the long E sound at the end of English words, he writes it with letter Y. For example, lazy, bunny, funny, baby, and crazy.
Still teaching spellings with the old, boring methods? Time for a change now. Let's not teach kids spelling, but tell them stories to remember the rules with the help of Spelling Stories with Mr. Peanut. Order your set today to give your children the best they deserve. Spelling Stories with Mr. Peanut.